Hello and welcome back. I'm very excited to share that we are starting season 3, and all the episodes of season 3 will just help you to gain more and more expertise in using Inforiver Writeback Matrix on Power BI. To begin with, in this episode, I'm going to only focus on the data model wireframe, which is your semantic model, and also all the supporting files, data dims, data fact tables, and even the DAX measures and relationships that we have developed here, built here. You will get the access to some files, and I'm going to walk you through those files as well. Now, just looking at the semantic model, we understand that there are multiple tables, and there is also a virtual table created to store all the measures that we have and also bring folders, assign folders to these measures. All this information will be available in the files that we are sharing with you. Now, just to take a look at the model, this model has got 41 DAX measures. This model has got 10 tables, out of which 9 tables are coming from source, which have 7 dim tables and 2 fact tables, and one virtual table which is created using DAX that you can see here. Now, let me walk you through the files and the data basically that you are going to receive or get an access to so that you can build this semantic model yourself. You can choose to build it on Fabric or Power BI services, or you can even choose to build this on Power BI desktop. It's totally up to you. So let's jump on to a quick overview of all the data files that you will have access to. All right, so these are the two folders that you will have access to. Master data, let me double click this. You've got 7 dimensional tables. In fact, the date dimension is also there. You can go ahead and create the date hierarchies if you are working on Power BI services, or if you are working on Power BI desktop, the date hierarchies will be automatically detected since this is going to be an Excel source. And then let me go back and bring transactional tables on the screen. So you've got sales plan, which is our first fact table, and sales history, which is our second fact table. And now I'm going to go back and show you this file, which says all relationships. This file is very interesting. It's basically a download of a DAX query, which has been run on DAX query editor once the semantic model was ready. So some important items that we should look at, especially the columns. And the columns will tell you the relationship keys, one to many, but that's not important. What you need to see is from table, which is coming from column E, from column. So that is the from tables from column. And then the cardinality, many side is sitting here, and then the two table and the column of the two table, and then cardinality one side. So this is many to one, and this is the cross filter direction. So we are using single direction instead of bidirection or both directions to keep the data flow between all the tables very simple, and these will help us to actually explore the functionalities and features of Inforiver Writeback Matrix without having any complexity inside our data. Now let me go back and show you the DAX measures Excel file. This is the file which says all measures season 3. And in this file, interestingly, all you need to ensure is that your column A, which is ID, is sorted from smallest to largest, or let's say in an ascending order, because this is a numeric data type. Because this is a sequence in which the DAX measures were created. This is the column B, which is name of the measure. And then this tells you in which table these measures are sitting. This is the data type of this measure, the expression of the measure, and then the folder in which, or let's say the folders assigned to these measures. And what you can simply do is go to the last column, which is column G, and just copy these measures as is from these cells and paste it when you're writing DAX measures. So these are those 40 plus measures. So I'll just take a look at all the measures and take a count. 41 measures are sitting here. Start building these measures and create your semantic model. Once your semantic model is ready, then you can just follow the videos from episode 2 all the way till episode 12, and you should have more expertise while using Inforiver Writeback Matrix. See you in the episodes then. Let's start building some writeback matrix models.